What's up, guys? At Fed Easy here. Today on this beautiful Sunday, we're gonna be changing the oil on my Dodge Challenger 6.4 liter Hemi. Tools of the trade today are a set of car ramps or a 3-ton jack, 10mm socket for the underbody cover bolts, 13mm socket for the oil pan drain plug, a ratchet, a large band oil filter wrench, oil drain pan, new oil filter, and 7 quarts 0W40 or whatever is recommended in your owner's manual. Bam, right there. There you're done. It's always a good idea to fill up the new oil filter with some new oil. And make sure you get some of that right on the rim. Let's bring it up. Beauty. Now, throw this back on since we're done with the bottom here. Okay, my bros. Oil change is done. I'm gonna start her up, back her up, and then we're gonna start on the SRT brakes.